Hi there. Those of you that might be looking for videos on how to clean a water heater tank, I thought I might add this little nuance to the process. I'm sure you'll have come across a lot of videos, and they're very detailed videos on how you go about doing the cleaning. A lot of them talk about how you could flush out collected sediment at the bottom of the tank by removing the drain valve and possibly sucking things out, etc. Additionally, there's also a process of how you would treat the sediments with vinegar to loosen things up. Combining all of these techniques, I thought I would try out something a little different, or in addition to all those steps, which is basically to circulate the vinegar through the tank. Now, this is a process that's often used with tankless water heaters, where you'd actually circulate the vinegar through the system in order to descale. In this situation, what I've done is I have this little tub here where I've actually poured about 2 gallons of white vinegar. I have a drain pump that I've attached, or I've put in here. Drain pumps are pretty much resilient to the vinegar, so there shouldn't be any problem. There's a hose that connects all the way and dips into the hole where the anode rod would otherwise be placed. So I've removed the anode rod and placed the tube going into the tank. The drain valve itself over here has been replaced. I've replaced it with a 3/4 inch ball valve. You should be able to find videos on how to do that, and it's actually very convenient and very helpful in this whole process. So that's something I've done. So essentially the process is, once I set the pump going, it's going to take all this fluid, which is the vinegar, and dump it into the tank from the top, creating a little turbulence at the same time as acting with the vinegar acting with the sediment. And as soon as it hits the level where it starts to drain from this hole, and 2 gallons of vinegar actually produces quite a lot of flow, and this is a 40-gallon tank. With the pump running, you'll see a decent flow coming out of this ball valve. Now, I would probably run this for about an hour, which is what I do with my tankless water heater as well. And running it for about an hour should be a decent enough time in order to act on the sediment, at the same time create the turbulence that is created by the dropping vinegar, because this tube is actually coming down to right about here. So it's got a decent amount of drop all the way down to the bottom. So as the vinegar hits the bottom, it's going to create a little turbulence, and that should help loosen things up quite a bit. I'm going to connect the pump now so you can see actually how the flow is initiated. So I got the connection going here with one hand, pardon me. So now the pump is active, and what it's now doing is actually pushing the vinegar up through the pipe into the tank. And as you can see, the flow has already started. The vinegar comes back into the tub and it's getting recirculated. So this process continues for about an hour, and once it's done, I would remove the tub of vinegar and basically let the cold water flow into the tank. And as it does, I would actually connect the pump to my drain so that the vinegar is flushed out of the system. And once that's done, the water heater should be ready to go. I hope you find this video helpful. I will post some of the videos that I've actually found very helpful in this process in my learning. So you might actually take a look at it to see the various steps that are involved. And if you like what you see, and if this is helpful to you, please show your support with a like. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd be happy to see them on the comment section. Thank you so much. Hope this is helpful. Bye-bye.